Amazon.
From Amazon. What did they give you?
I don't know. Let's see.
Let's see.
Let's open. Look it. See.
Magic markers. Let me see. What kind of magic markers are they?
I got
Let me see. Ultra clean washable markers. Wow, those are nice.
And then it's a bubble bath. Okay, next I open the second one. What could this be, Mom? What could this one be?
I don't know. Rip it, rip it.
Oh, I need help. Mike and scratch it out. Let's open them
See.
up.
Wow, I love those markers. Let's see. Maybe Daddy can help you open it. Hello Kitty?
Yeah.
Oh my God, let me see what it is.
Let's open it. Oh.
That is so cute.
A shirt. And some.
Oh my God, I want that for myself. I love it. Look at this little outfit. It is so adorable. It's gonna look so cute on you.
I'm gonna wear this for my birthday.
Really?
Yeah. So cute. And how can you have an outfit? They have an outfit like this, Mommy?